Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select clock skin on the FlipClock application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings section and click on all clock skins. That's the second option. Here, as you can see, there are three categories that you can choose from. The first one is the classic skins, popular ones, and popular 2 section. If you are interested in any of these items, slide to the right side of the screen in order to discover all of the items that you can choose from. Many of them are only available to premium users. These are indicated by this red circle in the left side corner of the section. So if you want to select any of these, tap on the relevant one, and then you will be able to use these skins. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.